Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Onoha, the creative director for Geninua. I want to say a big thank you to you all for your support. Thank you for being a part of Geninua. Thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for the reviews. Really happy about it. Thank you so much. It's a lot. That's encouraging. So encouraging. You don't know how. Okay, guys, I'm really sorry that you've not seen the videos that I promised I was going to upload. Um, I've actually done all of these videos. It's not like I've not done them. I've done them. I've edited the videos, and what's just left is for it to be uploaded, and you see it on your own screen. But I really don't know what the issue is because I've tried severally to upload these videos, and they still don't go through. I don't know what exactly the problem is. Maybe because the video is long, I really can't tell because the video is about 28 to 30 minutes. But I've tried streaming it down and it still did not go through. So I don't know what exactly the issue is. So guys, if you think there is a reason why this is happening, I would really appreciate it if you will share it with me in the comment section so I can solve these problems. Because I really want to upload more videos. Of course, I really want to upload more videos. But I don't know what the issue is, and I would really appreciate it if you would share solutions with me. Or if you've had that experience, if you're a YouTuber watching this video and you've had that experience, please share with me how you managed to solve this particular problem. I would really appreciate it. And in the meantime, I want to say a big thank you to you again and happy new month. Happy new month. I pray this month brings us everything good, everything we've prayed for, all that we desire for this month. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you. See you in my next video.